Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make your very own thumbnail. First off, just make the picture of anything you want for your thumbnail. Then open the website Pixlr. It's free, it's great, it's good quality. Now we click Playful Pixlr. If we are new to editing, open and we just look our thing up here. And now if you want anything to remove, for example the mouse and the timer, we click here, and here choose the color of the background and just color the whole thing up. Next up, what we will want to add is text that will show us what video is it. It's gonna be about this stage, so I'm gonna type it. And choose your font. I always use the Creamy Moony font. It's pretty small, it's very cool, it doesn't take a lot of space. Now we choose the color. I'm gonna go with nice orange, but a little lighter, like this. Now we can make some effects. I'm gonna find, where was it? We can add elements like this one, or we can click bokeh, and we have like those very cool light add-ons. I'm gonna add this one. So we add this, click add, just like this. Click add. Oh wait. Delete those layers. There we go. I'm also gonna use like those decorations that look very beautiful. I'm gonna go with this brush decoration. This one, not this one. I'm gonna leave this one. I'm not gonna use this brush. It takes too much space. I think I'm gonna go with one simple abstract frame. There we go. That looks great. I'm just gonna delete this. And I'm gonna add my text again because it got deleted. Now if you ask me, no, this is not going to be an actual video I'm making. This is a simple tutorial on how to do a thumbnail, which is not clickbait, which is actually something like, or is it clickbait, but please don't do it for clickbait. I am only here to do thumbnails and titles for videos that actually fit the content. So now we click save here and we click download. We're pretty much done with our video and the thumbnail. Remember, you have to get your account verified if you want to add custom thumbnails. I didn't get my account verified, so my thumbnails were just random. As you can see, like they're random. But I'm gonna You just get verified. It's very easy. You just have to put your phone number. And yeah, this will be pretty much it for this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and the like button for new videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.